Welcome to George and Jane YouTube video channel of adventures and hobbies. Please subscribe and like, comments welcome. Don't forget to browse the playlists.
Hi YouTubers, it's George. I'm in the garage and I got my power unit working here. I've got my G90 and got my homemade linear amp here. I'll put a torch on it so you can see it, probably without the torch. And I've fitted the new transistors, or the Mosfets. They work okay. Yeah, there's a couple of things. Let's just check that's alright. Yeah, that looks alright. Yeah, and that's working fine. And it's actually, with the new MOSFETs, it's actually giving slightly more power, although there's the same device. But the book says it should have a bias of 2.7 volts, but it depends on the device is fitted. And I've actually got it set at 3.5, and that seems to give the best results. Yes, it does run warm, but on this unit I've got a fan I can switch on. It's a manual switch. There's two fans running here. It's a bit noisy, but it's not too bad. Now, with an input power of 5 watts, I get nearly 70 out, and this scale here on my power meter is up to 200 watts. So if I key up, there we go, it's above 50. 50 is halfway there, and I'm getting 70 watts. And the power supply is 13 volts. It does drop slightly from full transmit, full power to, there you go. So that's pretty good. This is my do-it-yourself switch mode. So I'm very pleased with that. This can go back together, and it can go back into use now.